A named driver exclusion in an automobile liability insurance policy excludes the named driver from coverage. In St. Paul Fire and Marine Insurance v. Smith, we explore whether named driver exclusions violate public policy. Alan and June Smith obtained an automobile liability insurance policy from St. Paul Fire and Marine. Although the Smiths added their son William as a covered driver on the policy, St. Paul later learned that William's license had been revoked and that he'd been convicted of drunk driving. Accordingly, St. Paul required the Smiths to sign a named driver exclusion that excluded any liability for accidents occurring while William was driving. While driving Alan's car, William struck Audrey and William Hardwidge's vehicle. Both William and the Hardwidges died. At the time of the accident, William was covered under an automobile liability policy issued by Valor Insurance. The administrators of the Hardwidges estate then sued Alan and William's estate for the couple's death. Alan and William's estate tendered their defenses to Valor Insurance. They didn't tender their defenses to St. Paul. St. Paul subsequently filed a declaratory judgment action against Alan, William's estate, and others, whom we'll refer to collectively as the defendants. Specifically, St. Paul argued that it had no duty to defend or indemnify Alan or William's estate in the underlying suit, because the named driver exclusion barred coverage for any accident arising out of William's driving. The defendants argued that the named driver exclusion violated public policy and was therefore unenforceable. The trial court entered summary judgment in the defendants' favor, finding that the exclusion was void for violating public policy. St. Paul appealed to the Illinois Appellate Court.